lovely elementary principal. She is going to be helping me make some no-bake energy bites, a great snack that only requires a hand mixer. So we're going to start by adding all of our ingredients to the bowl. So we have 2 1/4 cups of rolled oats, a cup of coconut flakes, 1 1/2 cups of coconut butter, and you might need to use a spatula to get that out. You can use any kind of nut butter in this. We choose sunflower butter. We're nut free in our kitchen.
This is tricky.
It is tricky, but that's perfect. That looks great. Next, we're going to go ahead and add a cup of ground flaxseed, a cup of mini chocolate chips, the good stuff, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and a 1/2 cup of honey. Perfect. That looks delicious. The sunflower butter smells really good in here too.
The sunflower butter is really good.
It's
All the recipes
delicious.
that
I
you use.
agree. Yep. So now we're going to go ahead and give that a good mix with our hand mixer. So this is what it will look like once it's all mixed together. We're going to go ahead and set this to the side to chill. And we have some prepared, ready to go. Now what we need to do is we need to roll these into about 1-inch bites. So if you have a scoop at home, you can use a scoop to collect the correct amount of your hand. And then you just kind of roll it together like you would a meatball. Once you get a nice firm ball, this is what it will look like when it's all chilled and put together. We hope you enjoy.
Bye.